Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. We are a group of smart beans working on the smart waste sorting bin for ETR 2033 Entrepreneur Creativity and Innovation. In this progress video for week 10, we will share our tips journey from Monday to Friday, covering the final technical steps, improvements, and documentation before completion. This week was crucial as it is involved the finishing touches, testing, and preparation for our final presentation. Hello, my name is Nabil. On Monday, I was responsible for uploading the Arduino code and testing the proximity sensor. We connected all the electronic components properly, including the sensor, servo motor, and jumper wires to the Arduino Uno. Once the wiring was complete, I uploaded the program through Arduino IDE.
Okay,
The code was designed to detect whether an object is metal or non-metal and trigger the servo motor accordingly. We faced a few challenges like pin mismatches and unstable wiring at first, but after correcting the pin modes and tightening the connections, the system responded well during initial tests.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Abdul Hakim Aiman bin Abdul Jalil. I'm a person in charge for Tuesday. The duration for this day is 1 hour 30 minutes and the place held at Tun Muntahi room. On Tuesday, I'm focused on calibrating the servo motor and fine-tuning the flap movement. The goal was to make sure the bin sort the object correctly, left for metal, right for non-metal. We use simple items such as a coin for metal and a plastic spoon for non-metal to run several tests. I adjust the angle values in the code to control how far the flap would rotate. At first, the flap turned too slowly and sometimes overshoot its position. After tweaking the delay function and pulse width, it worked more smoothly and consistently. Thank you. Bye.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Dilan bin Tauran and I am the person in charge for this day. The place that we choose is at Domino's Pizza and the duration is about 3 hours. On this day, Wednesday was about fixing minor problems and improving the prototype reliability. During testing, we noticed occasional glitches. The servo will sometimes activate without detection or delay slightly after the sensor input. To solve this, we have consulted with our friend's sister, which is Nabil's sister, and watched a few tutorials online. We revised the logic in the code by adding a small buffer time and rechecking the sensor detection range. We also secure loose wire using glue and tape to avoid vibration or false triggering. These changes made prototype much more stable.
I am Muhammad Afidenia bin Ruslan. I am a person in charge on Thursday, 19 June 2025 at Harris Rooms. My main task on Thursday was to help with troubleshooting and to design the poster and documentation for our project. We use Canva to create a simple yet informative A3 poster. It includes our group members, project objective, hardware use, system flow, and photos of the final product. At the same time, I compile our progress notes and testing results into the documentation. This will be included in our final report submission to the lecturer.
Assalamualaikum. I am Muhammad Haris Sikwan. I am a person in charge for this day. The duration for this day is 1 hour, and the place held at my room. On the last day, I led the recording and editing of this week 10 progress video. We film clips of our prototype working, narration from each member, and compile all materials into structured video. The final video includes introduction, prototype demonstration, code upload and testing, servo and flap movement, group reflection, and teamwork. The video editing was done using CapCut. I added transition, background music, and subtitles to make it clear and engaging. Alright, thank you.